वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। आज का है हमारा काम लेटर। राइट अ लेटर टू योर फादर राइटिंग टेल हिम अबाउट योर मदर्स सिकनेस एग्जामिनेशन हॉल सिटी एबीसी डेट माय डियर अस्सलाम वालेकुम। I received your letter yesterday in which you have inquired about mother's health. Yesterday she fell ill. I took her to the doctor. He told me that she had a slight fever. He gave her some tablets. She is okay now. With best regards, XYZ.